Hi, Ted Wilkes here with Arc Studio, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through some of the tools within the software which will help you in maximising your productivity when you come to tackle writing your next screenplay. So, the first thing I want to share with you is the writing schedule, which sets up writing reminders for you which assist in shaping the writing habits you want to build, and keeps your momentum going when you're working on a project. In this instance, I've selected every day, which means if I haven't written anything by 6 PM that day, Arc Studio is going to send me a reminder email, which is going to give me a little nudge to jump in and get some pages written. Now, although writing every day, even just for 10 or 20 minutes, is a great way to ensure that you are forming a lasting habit with your writing, I know that it's often hard with other commitments to dedicate yourself to that regime. So Arc Studio lets you set your own writing schedule, which suits you and allows you to create writing goals which are attainable for you. Another function that you can use is the Send Me Progress Reports tool, and if you check this, Arc Studio will fire over an email to let you know how many pages you've written at the end of the day, and start counting up the writing streak that you're on. This is a great habit forming tool as it allows you to really visualise the progress that you are making on a screenplay. If you do miss a day, which is going to happen every so often, Arc Studio will keep the writing streak that you're on going, and you'll be sent a nudge email to get back on course. It's only if you miss 2 scheduled writing days in a row that your streak will be reset to 0, which becomes a great motivator to be certain that you are forming that all-important writing habit. Now the next thing I want to show you is focus mode. So here we are in a script, and if I go down here and click this symbol, it will hide all of the UI, and allow for you to more easily get into the flow of your writing. This is sometimes enough for you to be able to get on with some distraction-free writing. But if you want to go a little further, you might want to explore using the Pomodoro technique, where you write for a fixed length of time and then take an allotted break. This can be a really effective way of breaking down a larger task into manageable chunks. Intermittent sprints are a popular way that professional writers use to maintain maximum creativity and productivity. Just down here you can activate a time target, which sets you off on a writing sprint of anywhere from 10 to 120 minutes. Another little neat trick is that you can have Arc Studio nag you when you're not writing by checking this function on, so that if you do get distracted by something else and you navigate away from your screenplay for 30 seconds, you'll get a little nudge which directs you back to getting on with your work. When you finally hit your writing goal for this particular sprint, you are then prompted to take a short break so that you can recharge your batteries and get ready to take on another sprint. You can like this video and subscribe for more screenwriting tips, or you can find out more on our website, arcstudiopro.com.